I am starting with a connected database source. The online retail table is already here with a little over 500,000 rows. Now I am asking one business question. What should we review before a weekly sales meeting? I am compressing the build step here. The important part is that the agent profiles the table, writes the logic, and turns the question into a dashboard we can check. Here is the finished dashboard. It is not just an answer in chat, it is a working sales review page. The top row gives the numbers I would check first: revenue, orders, average order value, and active customers. Then the chart turns that number into a trend, so the meeting does not stop at a single total. A few rows down, the dashboard breaks the business apart by product and market, which is where the review becomes useful. This is the part that matters for trust. I can open the revenue calculation and see, in normal language, what the number means and what assumptions were used. And if I need the deeper check, the Code tab shows the actual query logic behind that metric. So the workflow is simple. Ask the business question, get the dashboard, and still keep the logic available when someone asks, "Where did that number come from?" Try it free. Link is in the description.